ciza cyane.
This is a beautiful country.
Ejo tuva ku kibuga tuza.
Yesterday when we were coming from the airport,
Nari kumwe n'umushoferi.
I was with the driver.
Ndi kumwe na mugenzi wanje.
I was with my
Madame.
wife.
Akantu kose ngo fotora ndamubwira ati yo.
And she was like, everything, take the picture. And I was like, no, are you going to take a picture of everything?
Gufotora ni byiza.
Taking pictures is very good.
Ariko ugomba kumenya nabo wereka ifoto zawe.
But you have to know people you're going to show the pictures.
Sibyo?
Isn't it?
Nabonye abakobwa biki gihe atwite ahita fotora inda ngo dore ndatwite ugira ngo benshi bishimiye iyo nda.
Some ladies nowadays, when they are pregnant, they just take pictures and they post them on status. They will be like, I'm pregnant. Do you think everyone is happy for a pregnancy?
Ni byiza cyane muri kamere ubundi bisanzwe iyo umudamu atwite tugomba kwishima.
Yes, it's
ariko
good.
rero ibintu siko bimera siko bose bishimira inda yawe.
Yes, it's good. Naturally, if someone is pregnant, we all be happy. But know that not everyone is happy for your pregnancy.
Siko abantu bose bameze.
Isn't that how all people are?
Kiri nkunze kubabona muri no mu gikoni muri muteka inyanya ukazihindura nibindi bakagufata ukavuga ku ma YouTube n'ahandi ukatwereka ukuntu we uteka neza uguwe neza siko abandi bishima hari ababuraye bakavuga ariko suriye kora twishinga hejuru kubere toke niko bimeze.
Again, I normally see you trying to shoot some videos in the kitchen, cooking, trying to put some recipes